Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a Boxy charm unboxing and kind of review. We're going to do both months. We're going to do last month's now. Of course, it's already open. It looks like this. I believe it's $21 a month, and I've only done two. I used to do Ipsy, and then I kind of got sick of the whole sample size. Everything was sample size and little sample size, and then you got one full size, and it was kind of redundant products, and so I kind of got sick of it just because I feel like also the samples, I could walk into Sephora and get a sample, they give those samples out for free. You know what I'm saying? So when I saw Boxy charm and I saw that it was full products, 5 full products, I was like, down, sign me up. I think it's $21 a month, which isn't bad. Especially for the stuff you're getting. So we're going to go over last month's really quickly, and then we're going to get into this month. Just kind of open it, and then it comes with, of course, all the makeup inside. I'm sure everyone has seen this before. But last month we got the South Main 3-Eye Gel Pack. Reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, moisturizes the eye area. I used all three of these for 3 consecutive days, and I didn't notice that much of a difference, at least with darkness. I don't have a ton of darkness, and I didn't notice any hydration. If you have puffiness, I actually feel like this could work, but I don't have that problem. I feel like it could work because it had that cooling, menthol-y cooling feeling, but not bad menthol-y. So I feel like this could work. I believe it's $10 regularly, but I won't be purchasing more just because I don't really have a problem with puffiness. I do have a problem with dryness, but this didn't really help with that. Alright, the next thing that came in it was a Bella Paris, I believe that's French, Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara. I have no opinion on this because I only wear waterproof, and so I think I'm just going to start putting kind of these things away for giveaways maybe. It is $20. I've heard that people like it, but again, I only wear waterproof or else my eyelashes go boo. Alright, the next thing we got was, and this thing I find kind of funny, the Vintage Cosmetics Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. I saw a couple people reviewing these. They come in there's 3 brushes, and actually they feel nice. They feel higher quality than let's say a Morphe brush. They just feel nice. But it was funny to me, it made me feel old, the fact that nobody understood. I think I watched 2 or 3, and everyone was like, I don't get it. And the brushes say, step 1 for the money, step 2 for the show, step 3, go girl go. And everyone was like, I don't get it. And I'm like, I must be old, because that's like Elvis, 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready now, go, let's rock, So I felt old. I didn't like that I felt old. Anyways, I don't like these brushes. I used them. I don't think they're good. They didn't blend out nicely. This one's to pack on color. This did not pack on color at all. Anyways, I didn't like these. I think these retail for $23.15, which is a very specific price, but not worth the $20. I would rather go get e.l.f. brushes than these. The next thing was this pretty Vulgar blush. This is sold at Ulta. Super, super pretty packaging. I heard a lot of people complaining that they didn't like the blush color, but I like it. It's called Vixen, and it's this pretty much fuchsia hot pink, but I think for summer and spring, this would be beautiful with a really, really neutral eye look and just some lip gloss and a hot pink blush. I think it would be gorgeous. I'm excited to try this out. This retails for $26, so I'm excited to try out this brand. Alright, the last thing we got in this box was a Boxy Charm and Pure Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. This is the first time I've actually tried Pure Cosmetics, and to be honest, I know people were saying they liked it, and I like it like this, and I like it when I swatch it on my arm, but applying it just wasn't good, especially the shimmer shades. And they have beautiful shimmer shades in here, and they were not easy. They were catching, they were almost too soft where you try and tap them out and they just end up breaking apart kind of. I don't even know how to explain it, but I really was excited to try this because the colors are beautiful, especially this teal color. Perfect for spring, these nice colors, but it just, I hate to say it, but it just didn't work. It was kind of a crap product. I didn't like it at all. So, and that retails for $36. Alright, that is everything that came in this box. I think the only thing that I actually like is the Pretty Vulgar blush. The other stuff I didn't really like or wasn't for me, so. But that's all right. It was still fun to try out. Now let's get into this month's. This month's, I was excited about. I've already opened these, and you guys let me know down in the comments if you like that I've opened them and tried them to give you my opinion, or if you just like the aspect of box opening. So you guys let me know what you like. All right, so I'm just gonna dive in. The first thing that I'm gonna grab is this high definition liquid lipstick from Adese. I don't really know. This is not a liquid lipstick, first of all. This is like a gloss. I have it on right now. Not a liquid lipstick at all. I mean like a matte liquid lipstick. It doesn't dry down to anything. It moves. It just feels like a thick gloss. I don't like it. Well, I do like it. It's like a really dark brown shade, and I think it's a good color, but I was really hoping, especially because these boxes are coming out around spring, that they would have done like a spring, like brighter color instead of like a dark fall brown. I just feel like this was kind of the wrong season to be putting this in a box, but I may use it in the fall. I just, yeah, I won't be using it spring or summer because it is a fall color. So that was the only thing that I was kind of like, but the formula is great. It was really opaque. I like it. I just wish they would have put a different color in there. All right, the next thing was the Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in Stunner. And I was super, super excited to try this. Oh, also that liquid lipstick is $24 originally. I don't think it's worth it. All right, the Tarteist Pro Glow, these are $29. And I hate to say, like, I feel like I'm just like negative Nancy today, but this does not apply well on the face. What I did to apply it is I took some on my hand like that, and then took it on my finger and dabbed, and then I went and got my beauty blender to blend it out, and it was already like rock solid. Like I had to, so rock solid that even a brush wouldn't blend it out. I had to get a wipe. I don't have it on today. This is not highlight. I had to get a wet wipe and wipe my face completely off where the highlight was and start again. It is a beautiful highlighter. What you can do is take it and just kind of get, you know, your décolleté right here where it kind of exposes a little more, even like your shoulders a little bit. I think it would be a great body highlighter, but on the face it just did not. I mean, you'd have to work, I guess what, like maybe if you put it on your beauty blender, but you'd have to work really fast to blend this out because it dries down like that, and once it's dried, it's dried. All right, the next thing is the Brow Gal Tanya Crooks Instant Brow Gel with fibers in it. I did use this. They gave me the color light, not sure why, but yeah, it's a true blonde and it does have fibers in it. So I did use it just to see how it was, and it was really nice. It just made my brows a little bit too light, obviously, for my hair and stuff, but it did work. I wish they would send it in my color. They didn't, unfortunately. It did help glue the eyebrows down, and you can see that it actually does have little fibers on there, and it retails for, let's see, $22. The next thing that I absolutely love is this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Face Mask. I've done it twice now. I love it. I love it. It makes my skin feel so cleansed without it. Oh, it's like a tornado outside. There is a chair flying, so if you can hear noises, it's outside. Anyways, it made me feel super clean without that like feeling that you've stripped a layer of your skin off or like squeaky. It really felt nice, and it's fast. I believe this is like a 5 to 10 minute mask, so it's not like one of those masks that you have to wait forever for. I really like it, and it really does clean your pores out, and I didn't have any weird reactions to it. So excited I got this. The next thing, and I don't know how I feel about this because the little girl in me is screaming, yes! But then the adult is like, really? It's a My Little Pony eyeshadow blush. A My Little Pony eyeshadow palette. This is from ColourPop. Now I was excited because I actually haven't tried ColourPop powder shadows. I've only ever tried their cream shadows, which I love, and so it's nice to be able to try their powder shadows. It's so cute. Like the little girl in me is like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Some of the colors popped out like completely, like not even just the pan popped out, but the like color fell out of the pan. This white one did and this purple one did, and so I kind of had to like press them back in there. I do love the colors. Beautiful, beautiful concept. I wish this one was like more of a teal, kind of like in that Pure Cosmetics. That would have been nice. And I wish that they had like a brown transition shade, because all they have is this peach one and then these two pink ones. This mint green shade with the peach matte shade would be beautiful. I do like it. I will get some use out of it. I think it's really cute. Hopefully my 5-year-old daughter doesn't steal it, because I mean, it's My Little Pony. She may. So hopefully she doesn't find it and just swipe it. But anyways, so those were the 2 BoxyCharms. Will I continue getting BoxyCharm is a question. It's actually not a question. I will absolutely continue getting BoxyCharm. The thing that I like is that I literally got sent things that I probably wouldn't pick up in the store. I mean, this palette alone, $16. This is $47, and this works amazing. I would never have picked this up in the store for $29. I would never have paid $29 for this, I'm not gonna lie. But the nice thing is that it comes all together with all of this stuff. And so then I'm like, yeah, I actually will use this as like a body glitter, or, you know what I mean? And that's the nice thing, is it's things that you're like, you know, I just don't want to pay, you know, $29 for a highlight that doesn't really work that well on my face. But because I'm only paying $21 for everything, that makes it so cheap, and you get to try so many products that you wouldn't normally pick up. It gets me out of my comfort zone. That's the thing I love about it. It's so worth it. Go out and sign up for BoxyCharm. I mean, it's so worth the $21. Even this one, the first one that I got that I didn't like truly like love, even that, the only thing I liked out of it was this blush, and this blush in Ulta is more than $21. So either way, even if I come out with only one product that I liked, it's still worth it. That's it for this video. I will see you guys in my next video, and